Oi, oi. Hello people, how you doing? Right, Jeff Booze, some of you know me as. Jeff B, some of you might know me as. You might want to call me something else, that's up to you. Right, this video, I just wanted to do a quick video. This is mainly for Jane and Jules' group. Coronavirus lockdown showdown meals or something, whatever it's called. It's long anyway, right? But it's a very nice group where everyone's putting like their food ideas while they're stuck indoors. And now people that don't know me, obviously, you know, I've put a couple of posts while everyone's doing their gourmet meals. I've just put a couple of pictures of a tin of spaghetti and a tin of spam. Don't worry, come on man, people who know me know I'm taking the piss. At the end of the day, right, I have got backup food, right? If I'm desperate, I can eat, but I don't eat that shit on a daily basis, right? So don't worry about me, I'm alright. I generally don't cook, I heat things up. But I'm alright, I've got food in my cupboards and it's all good. But anyway, it's a really nice group. But I might put this up on my YouTube channel as well. I think if you go on YouTube, just type in Jeff Booze, JEFFBOOZ, and I've got a channel on there. If you subscribe to that, that'd be wicked. Anyway, right, so what I'm doing, I'm just gonna do myself a little breakfast. And what is very important with this, if you want to have a new daily routine that keeps you upbeat and everything, what's very important, stick a bit of Funky or Soulful House on in the background. Watch these moves, right, because you ain't getting these moves from nowhere else. Right, I've got myself a saucepan here. Saucepan, you seen one of these before? Right, and what I do, now people might be going, what are you doing man? But I get a little bit of salt, just a little bit, not like loads. I've got a bit of vinegar, I've got more in the cupboard, look, see I'm stocking. Got 15 bottles of vinegar, I've got 30 packs of salt, I've got 5,000 toilet rolls, you know, a lorry load of pasta. Yeah, so I'm alright for the next year or so. Right, I'm joking for people who don't know, right, I'm joking, right? Oh shit, right, okay. Bit of water. Hang on, bear with me, right? Right, and the timing is everything, right? Did I tell you what I'm making? I'm making some poached eggs, right? So, what I do, I spill the water everywhere. So when you put the pan on, you get a lovely sound, you know? So it's like, all, you know, it's a bit invigorating. Right, that... Right, hang on. Right, you've got to have a little dance around because, you know, it's important for morale. And anyone who knows the shit that I've been going through in my mind, which you'll see on my YouTube channel if you look, I'm not going to go too much on, but this sort of crazy behaviour actually keeps me going and spirits up. So, right, water. I'm going to put that on full, right? Put that on full. Then I'm going to get my butter out of the fridge. So that's sort of getting a little bit soft. And I'm also going to get, I'm going to throw that away. Why I'm keeping that in the fridge, I don't know. Right, but I've got my bread in the fridge where people go, what are you doing? Why are you putting your bread in the fridge? But, especially times like now, it does actually stop it getting mouldy a lot quicker. Because you know how some people, they're all like, oh no, it's out of date. Like, there's certain things, like bread, where the date, it's a guide, isn't it? But ultimately it's alright until there's fucking mould on it. And then you go, nah, I ain't having that. You know, don't you? You know, right? So it's common sense. But if you put it in the fridge, it just makes it last a little bit longer. So normally I'll get this out a bit before this, so it's like, I've got ice in my fridge. Yeah, but this time I'm just going for it. Right, So, like I said, timing is everything. This is what I do. Salt, vinegar, water, heat, bread in the toaster, ready, butter, getting soft, knife. Right, getting my plate ready, you know, getting all this stuff ready, having a little dance in between. I've got a little timer here on my fridge. Alright, now I'll set this timer to 3 minutes. Right, 3 minutes exactly, even though it's probably backwards, but I'm telling you, it's 3 minutes, alright? Set that, but I haven't started it yet. Hold fire, oh, hang on, don't start it yet, just get it ready. Everything get ready, right? Now sometimes I have 3 eggs, but I'm just going to have 2 because, you know, we've got ration and beef, right? So I'll get my eggs there. Look, it's all ready. And I can have a little dance in between. Right, and it's very important. Don't listen to no like love songs and Adele and like stuff that's depressing. Like have something upbeat, something nice, something a little bit ooh. Right, okay. I probably could have put a bit more water in the pan, but it's fine. Then, what was I going to do? Well, you know what, I'm putting my crap away, can't I? And I'm like, normally I'll be doing the washing up in between, because you're only waiting for the water to boil. But I'm putting my glasses away. Now actually, carrot juice. People be going, oh. But it's actually, when you start drinking, because I started drinking this when I stopped drinking alcohol during the week. And then, and I believe everything's in the mind, right? So if you want to do something, just do it. Literally, stop battling with yourself and go, oh, I can't do that, oh, it's really hard. No, forget that, just do it, right? Literally, it's that simple. It's just mindset, right? So just do it. But you need a bit of help, so you need sometimes a bit of substitute. Right, once I started telling myself I'm not drinking anymore, suddenly I've got this more craving than I ever had. And all I told myself was, what are you on about? I'm not drinking, that's it, done. Right, I need something, I'm going to drink something else. And then you sort of need to get something that's not boring. So I was looking for drinks. And anyway, I thought I'd try some carrot juice. At first it was like, it's like a bit weird, but when you actually drink it a lot, it's like really sweet and it's nice. And it feels like it's healthy for you, so boom. Right. Now, this water is boiling. I'm going to turn, so on my hob, I don't know about yours, but on mine, mine's on number 9, so I get it hot, and then once it's boiling, I'll turn that down to number 7, because what I've done a few times is like, when you put the eggs in and that, and then the next thing, it's all like, you go out of the room for a second, it's all like, going mental in the kitchen. Right, so number 7, right, 2 eggs, boiling water, crack them in there. Right, now once I put that first egg in, when I turn around to put the, I'm going to now press my timer. 3 minutes, bang, next egg. Right, now I used to like swirl it all around a bit, but whatever, I don't bother. Right, 2 eggs in, the water's now not really boiled, it's like calmed down. 3 minutes on the timer, and now you got a little bit of dancing time again. These moves are very important, especially if you're on the beach, you're like surfer. Right, anyway, okay. So I'm going to now stick the toast on. About 2 minutes left. Oh, and I think today I'm going to have a bit of ham as well. Now I don't always do this, but I like doing this as a sandwich. So I'll do my poached eggs, toast, ham, boom, cut, rah, that's it. But yeah, sometimes I just put two on toast and just eat it, you know what I mean? It's just how it feels, just how I roll. Just go with what's happening in your head at the time. So that's going nicely. And then you want to get one of these ready. It's a spoon with holes in it. And just for those that don't know, because that allows the water to run out when you pick something up. It's inventive, isn't it? Clever, isn't it? Right. Got butter. Now, I don't know how you lot like your eggs, but me, I love runny yolk, but I can't stand runny white because it's disgusting. So I like actually fried eggs, and if someone can do it where there's no runny white, not even a little bit around the yolk, but the yolk is runny, I love it. And then sometimes it's hard to get, I'm not very good at it, but poached eggs is like, if you stick to that 3-minute thing, it's literally, they're just, as far as I'm concerned, perfect eggs. Might not work for you, but works for me, and at this moment in time, that's all that matters, right? So you might be able to adapt it for yourself, but this is just how I roll. This is just how I roll. So we have got 15 seconds left before that alarm goes off. Now, if any luck, now actually what I noticed, because I was chatting, normally when I put them eggs in, I'll hit the toaster. Oh look, there we go. Right, so now you've got time. Ah, look, that's actually went a little bit wrong. Right, pull that, the moment that goes off, take it off the heat, because this is quite critical. Right, now me buttering this might actually mess things up a little bit timing wise, because those times are precious, right? Literally, you want them eggs out of there straight away. And I've been messing around, but I'm going to put my ham on the toast. Right, buttered my toast, ham. Right, get them eggs out of there. Look, can you see that? And they don't always look like, oh wow, look how perfect they are. But it's about the cooking how they are. Right. Now, because this is hot, like what I also do, right, so look. Can you see that without it all falling on the oven? It's on the floor. But yeah, there's my poached eggs on toast. And yeah, I will put that on as a sandwich. And in a minute, I'm going to press that down, cut it in half. But what I normally do now is that because that's really hot, you know, bite into it and burn myself, I'll quickly wash up the pan, bang, that's done, heat off, butter away, and then that is perfect to eat. So, I'm going to drink my carrot juice, well, I'm going to actually wash up, eat the sandwich, drink my carrot juice, and then get on with the rest of my day. So hope you lot have a wicked time, whatever you're doing, and yeah, hope you liked this video, and if you didn't, well, there's not much I can do about that, but peace!